After sleeping on it, I decided I didn't like the two-tone, so I came back and painted the cranberry or whatever it was the same color as the rest of it, which is the same as what's on the house up there. So there it is. A couple other things I'm going to do, but it's ready for inspection and I hope it passed. I need to put new wiper blades on. Oh, it did not run smooth at first. I can't remember if I did a video about that. But it was really low on gas. I don't know. I thought it was more gas in it than what there was. And it sat all winter, so I'm thinking there was water in the gas. Because it ran really smooth, and then after a while it didn't run smooth. So I went and put a half a tank in of the premium, along with a bottle of stuff that's supposed to make it run better, clean the injectors out. Plus, I just put a bottle of dry gas in this morning, and it started up and was running smooth earlier. I am low on transmission fluid, so I need to pick up another gallon. But let's just start it up. I'm not going to drive it any place. We need to get inspection. A little bit of squeak on the bell, but I might have gotten carried away on the cleaners and stuff, and the armor all on the engine area. I'm no mechanic expert or anything, but to me it sounds smooth, and it looks nice. So I do need to do something with the box, though. I know the box is rusted underneath. It looks really good on the outside, but I know when I pull that liner out, it's going to not look so good. So that'll be another series of videos, but I think if it inspects, if I can get it passed without too much extra money, I'm going to start hauling some firewood and then go after the box probably after that. By the way, this is a different color here because this whole thing was changed a couple years ago. Had a lot of rust on it, and they put a new one in, and down there. A lot of stuff has happened to this truck as far as being fixed over the years, so it really has a lot of new stuff on it. I mean, even though it's a 2004, there's still a lot of stuff, like all new brake lines, gas tank is new, well, a few years ago, probably 10 years ago. But it's not the 04. There's a lot of stuff that's been changed since then. But if I can use this for firewood, it's a narrower truck by about 6 inches, maybe more. It's a little lower too. Love the Tundra, but in the woods, this thing is easier to load. You can reach in here and put firewood in and take firewood out pretty easy. So I am looking for a tonneau cover for it, because a lot of this rust which occurred here was because water got underneath there and ran forward underneath the liner, and probably got in other places too, and then sat there. And I know there's a ton of dirt. It's going to look really bad when I pull this liner out, but we'll see what we can do at that point. Tires are holding really good. The Z-Zip has been phenomenal. Okay, timing belt changed and engine appears to be okay. Nissan 2004 Frontier. think it's the 3.3 6-cylinder, something like that. Not the supercharged or whatever. It's just the base.